Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Oh, thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions as well. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please do turn your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. For today's look, it's my rhinestone glam kind of makeup tutorial. Okay, if you are the type that you would like to go into the new year with some glam on, okay, this is the makeup for you, right? This is super easy to do. You just take a lot of patience and that's all. So this tutorial is about rhinestone and my New Year's Eve New Year makeup look. Okay, if you would like to see how I achieve this, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe and do turn your notification bell as well. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. I will be using the concealer by Clinique to cut my crease. I apply a little at the back of my hand and I come in with this brush by ELF. So I'm going to go ahead and use this shade, Dawn, it is called Dawn, to set it. So I'm going to be using the lash glue that came with the eyelashes by Wet n Wild. That's what I'm going to apply down on my lid. Then we're going to move on to glam the lid. A brush by DH Cosmetics, but I lost the head of it, so I'm one of those people that don't like throwing away stuff that it might come in handy one day. And so this is what I'm going to be using to pick up the rhinestone. This is the rhinestone that I'll be using. I bought them from Walmart. So I'm just going to go in and start applying it on my lid. This is where the work comes. Okay, you have to be patient. Oh, because I was excited to start glamming the eyelid, I completely forgot to use my liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly do it before I move to the outer corner of my eye. So I just want it to go this way. So towards the end, I'm going to go ahead and start applying a smaller size of rhinestone towards the end, and I'm also going to put it at the outer corner of my eye right here where I have this space. I purposely left that place in order to put the smaller one over there. Light with the Tarte concealer in Deep. This came with my Ipsy bag. I love to try the small sizes of products in order to see if I would like them, then I can be able to purchase the bigger size. So this is a concealer that I use to highlight, and of course my ever used, ever loved, ever favorite contour palette by BH Cosmetics. I use it to contour, and I already pop in my first lashes, okay? And I'll put the names of all the products I use down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and just clean up and finish up this look, and let's see how everything turns out to be. The main purpose of this is the rhinestone. There's nothing that I did that is new. My contouring and highlighting is still the same method. I will set my entire face with the loose powder by Estee Lauder in 05 Deep. For my blush, I'll be using the Estee Lauder blush, the Intriguing Plum.
Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you